Jeric Mitra. Yan, magandang bakbakan to. Ompong Gabriel 250 versus 450. Wow! Ayan na, outside Ompong, inside Jeric Mitra. Ayun! Wow! Grabe ba yung Ompong Gabriel? Yan! Wow! Yan, oy! Ang ganda, oh! Wow! Ayan na, outside Ompong, inside Jeric Mitra. Ayun! Wow! Okay, Pro Open category final hit. Pro Open category final hit. So dito pa rin tayo sa Botolan, Zambales, round 2 of Weltec series Pro Open. So nandyan Shiki Ramento, Dabo, Jesse Reliosa, Ralph Ramento, Maclean Aguilar, David Viterbo, Jerome Pagdilao, Jeric Mitra, Ompong Gabriel, Kiram Magbual, Pro Open category final hit for Pro Open. 5 seconds, board is up. Ayan na. Wow, Jetrix Marquez. Post Getty hole shot. Jetrix Marquez, Getty hole shot. Fouled by Ralph Ramento, Kiram Magbual, Maclean Aguilar. Ayun. Wow. Grabe. Jetrix Marquez. Ayan, oy. Safe lang. Jetrix Marquez. Ayan, leading. James leading. It's Ralph Ramento. Ralph Ramento leading. Followed by Maclean Aguilar, Jeric Mitra, David Viterbo, Kiram Magbual, Dabo, Jetrix Marquez, Shiki Ramento, Jesse Reliosa, Jerome Pagdilao, and Ompong Gabriel. Ayan, it's Ralph Ramento leading. Maclean Aguilar, Jeric Mitra from 8-7 Racing, David Viterbo, Kiram Magbual, David Malgapo, Jetrix Marquez. Ayan, Shiki Ramento, Ompong Gabriel. Ayun. Oy, semplang Jerome Pagdilao. Ayun. Yan, Ralph Ramento versus Maclean Aguilar. Ayun. Jeric Mitra on third. Wow. Battle of first. Wow. Yan, Ompong Gabriel, mahabol. Oy, Dabo! Templan, Dabo. Tayo, Dabo, tayo. Yan. Leading pa rin is the Diesel, Ralph Ramento, followed by the Baby Rabbit, Maclean Aguilar, And then from 87 Racing, Jeric Mitra. Oy! Namatay yung motor ni McLean. Yan. Ay! Semplang! McLean Aguilar, sumemplang! Agoy! Sumemplang, McLean Aguilar. Parang napuruan si McLean. Yellow flag, yellow. Ayan. Ralph Ramento. Lumalayo na, Ralph Ramento. Followed by... Ayan, David Viterbo ng second. Where's Jeric Mitra? Nasaan? Ayun! Ompong Gabriel! Nasa pang-apat na! Huli ito kanina! Ayun! Humahabol! Ompong Gabriel! Wow! Nasa huli ito, first turn, Ompong Gabriel. Ngayon, nasa pang-apat na. Ayun, anong gagawin, Ompong Gabriel? Makukuha niya kaya si Jeric Mitra? Andyan lang siya sa likuran ni Jeric Mitra. Ayan. Oh. The Diesel, ang layo na. Parang napuruhan, McLean Aguilar. Hindi na nakatayo si McLean. Ayun. No jump, no jump, no jump. Ayan, no jump, no jump. Ayan. Parang napuluhan si McLean. Ralph Ramento, lumalayo na. Ayan. Wow, The Diesel, Ralph Ramento, breakaway na. But Ompong Gabriel and Jeric Mitra. Yan, magandang bakbakan to. Ompong Gabriel, 250 versus 450. Wow! Ayan na, outside Ompong, inside Jeric Mitra. Ayun! Wow! Grabe ba yung Ompong Gabriel? Ayan! Wow! Wow! Yan, oy! Ang ganda! Op! Simplang. Gilang yan, bangon! Tayo! Yan! Habol, Ompong! Sayang, ganda takbo na sana. Ayan, breakaway na by Ralph Ramento. Layo na. Ayan, second na David Viterbo. Parang napuruhan si McLean Aguilar. Third, it's Jeric Mitra. Battle of fourth between Kirom Magwal and Jetrix Marquez. Ayan. Ompong Gabriel, umahabol. Ayan. Ayan, dabo. Ayan, Ralph Ramento, breakaway na. Ang layo na. David Viterbo on second. Ayan, Jeric Mitra on third. From 87 Racing, Kirom Magwal on fourth. Ayan, Ompong Gabriel and Jetrix Marquez. Tabi ka dyan, bro. Paunahin mo ko, bro. Isa lang ang kanilang number ng motor. Ay! Tabi, Jetrix, tabi, tabi. Inside Ompong. Outside Jetrix Marquez. Ayan. Wala pa tayong white flag. Malayo pa tayo. Ayan. Parang kinakapos niya si Ompong. Ayan, breakaway na by Ralph Ramento. Ayun, the Diesel Ralph Ramento. Second, it's David Viterbo. Jeric Metra on third. On fourth, it's Kiro Magwal. Ayan, Jetrix Marquez and Ompong Gabriel. Ayan. Fight between number 77 and number 77. Battle of Beef. Ompong Gabriel and Jetrix Marquez. Inside Ompong, outside Jetrix. Ayan, dabo. Wow, Ompong Gabriel nasa panglimang pwesto na. On fifth position is Ompong Gabriel. Breakaway na by the Diesel Ralph Ramento. Yan, David Viterbo on second. Jeric Metra on third. Yan, Jeric Metra. On fourth, it's Kiram Magwal. Ompong Gabriel on fifth. Jetrix Marquez and then David Malgapo. White flag for Ralph Ramento. Last lap. Last lap for the Diesel. Last lap for the Diesel. White flag. Yan. Cesar Liosa. Yan. Last lap for Ralph Ramento. lap, last lap. Yun. David Viterbo on second. Jeric Mitra on third. Wala, si Ompong Gabriel. Ayun, Ompong Gabriel. Napagod na si Ompong. Ayan, Jetrix Marquez, Battle of Fifth. Last lap, last lap. So, checkered flag na po tayo for Ralph Ramento, champion for Pro Open category. Champion. Second, it's David Viterbo on second. And third, it's Jeric Mitra. Yan. Checkered flag na po tayo. Checkered flag. On fourth, it's Kiram. Ayan, Jetrix Marquez and David Malgapo, Battle of Fifth. Ayan. Post got fifth.
Coming in on fourth position, bike 99, Kiram Laguan.
Fifth, Jetrix Marquez. Oy, ano nangyari, Dabo? Ayan, checkered flag, checkered flag. So thank you for watching, guys. Please share this video. So thank you, thank you.